First of all, if you would like to see more videos about Hanja, please let me know in the comments, leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, whatever you can do. I just want to know if you want to keep seeing videos because I can definitely keep making them. Now, the point of this video and the point of all of these videos about Hanja is not to teach you how to read and write the characters. That can certainly be useful, but it's not the most useful purpose of knowing them, and that is being able to recognize their sound, as well as their meaning, and recognizing them in new words that you might see. So the character we're going to be learning about today is Ta. We just learned about Ta in the last episode. Well, this one's different. This one is actually originally a drawing of a child, which is also read as Ta, inside of a house. This is a house character. So a child inside of a house, and it means a letter or a character. Why? Although I tried to find the answer, there isn't anything conclusive. There are just a lot of random theories as to why it means this. Maybe the kid was in the house all day and got bored and started writing all over the walls? If you have a kid, you'll understand. You've probably seen this word before, or at least you've seen words that have this character in them before. For example, Hanja is this character, Ta. Literally, Han, from Han in China, and Ta, meaning character. So Chinese character. I should also note that it's not pronounced as Hanja, it's pronounced as Hanja. You might be wondering, or maybe you're not wondering, I'm gonna tell you, Han is from China. Well, what about Korea? Are there any characters that came from Korea? Yes, there are some known as kuk for country. This is used to refer to the Korean country. Kukja is characters that are made in Korea. So Korean-made Chinese characters, if that makes sense. Korean-made characters. I actually might do a video about that in the future, but for right now, just know that there are some. And if you didn't want to specify Chinese character, but just any character, 글자. 글 means writing, and ta means a character, so a written character. Okay, let me give you a few more examples. Another one is 숫자. 수 means a number, so a number character, and this is how you say any number. 자 is how it's pronounced. So you're probably going to be pronouncing this character most of the time as 자, but on its own and how it's written, it's only going to be ta. One more thing that you can do with this character is you can put it after a hanja to mean the shape or figure of that hanja. For example, the hanja for 8 is 팔, 팔자, and this means the shape or the figure of this hanja here. So the shape of the 8 character, it's kind of like this, right? This shape. So if you see something that kind of looks like that shape, for example, when my kid gets sad, one of my Korean friends commented that he looks like he has 팔자 eyebrows because they get slanted. He gets really sad like that. And you'll see this from time to time with other characters. Again, not essential to know, but it can be useful. So where else have you seen this character used? Please let me know in the comments. I do read all of those. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next lesson. 그럼 다음에 또 봐.